When assembling the floor stand, take the star-shaped base and flip it over. This enables you to place the 5 locking casters into the holes on the underside of the star-shaped base. With the base still upside down, place the counterweight onto the base. Align the 3 holes and then secure the counterweight to the base using the hardware kit. Next, apply the flat washer onto the screw and then place the rubber washer onto the screw. Do this 3 times. With the counterweight in place, we are now ready to install the mounting post. With the packaging removed from the mounting post, place the tapered end into the mating taper on the star-shaped base. Next, slide the locking washer onto the bolt, then place the flat washer onto the bolt. Secure the post to the base by tightening the screw on the underside using a 1/2-inch socket wrench. With the Elite base upright, we are now ready to assemble the Elite arm. Next step is to place the Celluma Elite panel on a table with the light array face down and the cable extending away from you. When satisfied with the alignment, press firmly down along the length of the do-lock. Note: the short arm of the mount bracket should be closest to the cable. To place the control pad bracket in place, simply slide the control pad mount bracket assembly onto the pivot pin of the arm assembly. Fasten the control pad to the pad mount bracket assembly with the attached dual lock. Now plug the provided power cord into the receptacle on the control pad. Next, dress the power cord down along the floor mount post and then fasten it at the top and the bottom of the post with the provided cable straps.